Good morning. It's the 9th of October, 2020, and it's a Friday. That means we do the same class material for the 4th time, so we can really work on. At the piano we have Gerard, it's Friday today, and we are starting with the right leg and 2 hands at the bar, and in front of me is Esra, and then you see Merel, there's Sarah, Isis and Fleur. Welcome, dancers. There we start, and we have a tendu second, plie, flex, really turning out, and 2 legs, and out, and the close, and the vent, and the flex, going tendu, and the close, to the side, and close, to the front, and close, to the side, and half around to the front, to the side, opening, and close. Left leg, right leg, reversed, left leg, reversed. Tendu derrière with arm, a huge circle. Other side, turning around, stretching, stretching. Okay, and the 1, and the 2, da-da-dee, da-da-dam. Really feeling that the plie leg goes outwards, opening both legs, please. Right leg, à la seconde, plie, flex on the heel and point, and close to the front. Opening, little toe backwards, easy. Yes, close to the sides. And close to the front. And out. Rond. Open and close. And 1. Plie. Point. Close to the front. And sidewards. Good. And bam entendu. Are you on the supporting leg? 1. Turn. And again. 1 and plie. Point. A plie is never to stop. It's a movement. Yes, get your toes off the floor. Out and close and out and close. Going 1 and circle. Circle and close. Left leg. 1 and 2 and point. Don't look down. And lift the toes off the floor. And yes, Sarah, fine. The 3/4 using 1 and your second correctly opposite first and 1. And go. Stretch your knee in the direction of your toes. Come on. Yeah, fine. And lift your spine before you go lifting. A wide breastbone. And turn. And 1 and 2 and not to yourself, to the floor. Coming up and hold the heels on the floor, Isis. Tailbone forward. Coming up and arms picking the legs and go. Arms search, little fingers. Be aware of the distance between the hands. Opening. Allongé. And plie. Okay. Dear Merel, be careful. Your left side went behind. And you're so turned out you can do it, but it's not right. Really? Yeah, 1 line. Yes? Okay. Pliés, second position, grand plié, and 2 and 3 and 4. Reversed arm, relevé, going on towards the bar, towards the center, demi-plié, first position, on relevé, third port de bras, forward, backwards, non-stop, eh? So divide your musicality over the movement. That's not a, that is a something, but not a fourth, eh? Okay, fourth position, ending, going up, arms through first to third arabesque, don't look then in the mirror. Yes, fifth position, up to the front, chassé to the back, fouetté, fourth and fifth. Okay, 1 and 2, di, da, there we go. And arm, bringing away, not too wide, and go. Arm reversed, up. Push the floor away, up. Going to the bar and bring away, fine, and getting the arm and, yes, yeah, good. And 1, fingertips are living things and go. And no shoulder. Relevé, go, go. High on your foot. And yes, fine. Elbow round. Plie and 1. Opposite fifth. Sarah, no shoulders. Keep it quiet. Be on top of your movement. Arm go on through first to third arabesque. Be there. Plie, tendu, and opposite fifth. Don't turn, don't twist. Relevé and hand to the floor. Be on top of your movement. You were in. Chassé and go. And opening fouetté, force and 1. Yeah, fine. Yeah, good, Fleur. Opening the back leg, and 2 arms are up, 2 arms to first. Now your whole back going over the arm. Plie. And 1. You know it's an étendu, hè, Esra? And go. And now your head is staying above your movement, not in, not in, not in. Yes, and opening under, allongé, close fifth. Yes, you understood, Ezra? Not going in the movement, staying above the movement with the cambre insert. Perhaps it's important for other people. Really being on top of your movement, not going in. The battement tendu from fifth position, changing to second. It is and 1, and 2, and 3, plie, and out, and taking the passé as high as possible from the foot, going to the front. Roll down, opposite fifth, not opposite first and not opposite to third.